Guys, hello everyone. Welcome again to my blog for today. And for today's blog with Sus, I will just share something very I don't know sa iba, pero para sa akin is really mean for me kasi I love to do this such thing for my little kitchen, whether here in my work or in my apartment or in my home in way back to my country. I also do the same thing. So especially in my home in Philippines, I'm very organized for everything, especially in my kitchen. So, ayan. Meron akong mga collection ng mga jar na nilalagyan ko ng aking mga everyday use. For example, for breakfast, for everything that we use for kitchen usually. So, as you can see guys, ayan, meron akong mga big glass jar na diyan ko nilalagay ang aking mga yung lagi nating kinakain most of the time sa mga daily day natin. Just like for example, I have my biscuit. This brown one is Mascova sugar. Yan yung talagang ginagamit ko pag minsan kailangan ko rin magluto ng something and then I just put some sugar. So I will use the Mascova sugar. Mascovado. So it's in like that. A little bit cost money here, but it's okay. It's not very big. And of course, my cereal, or how to say this one? Not cereal, sorry for my word. Is oatmeal. Yes. So most of the time, I also use that one for my breakfast. And when I drink coffee in the afternoon, I also take one piece of biscuit. So, ayan. Meron siyang mga special jar ako na nilalagay ko talaga siya dyan. So, yun yung gusto kong i-share dito sa pagbablog ko. And, of course, at the same time, I'm also, yan, nilalagay ko rin dyan, guys, ang aking mga small, ayan, yung sa jar na ito, this is all my chai, tea, or green tea, and everything. I just mix it there. So, ayan ang aking mga nuts. Mahilig talaga akong kumain ng nuts, guys. Seriously. Kumakain din naman ako ng mga a little bit mga unhealthy food na tinatawag like basta yun, ayan, mahilig talaga ako sa nut yan. I love to, ayan, cashew and pistachio, ano pa ba yun, isa na yan, I really forgot, nuts, ayan. And aside from that, ayan, nagbili din ako guys ng maliliit kong glass jar. So this one is my green tea. If I put it on the hot water. And of course, my tiny nuts. And my chai seed. Yan, yung black. So yun yung bago kong collection ngayon this time na pinagkaabalahan ko na naman na i-collect sa aking additional collection sa aking kitchen. And of course, ayan, meron po. Ito, nilalagay ko siya sa table, guys, kasi yun yung lagi kong kinakain. Is mixed nuts. Ina-add ko na siya dyan. And at the same time, ito, dry grapes. Pag wala akong grapes, mahilig din ako yan kasi nga sa coffee. I love to eat that one with coffee. And of course, the little bit sweet nuts. So, yan. Kaunti na lang siya, guys, kasi kinain na naman ng kinain nung nagkaroon ako ng gathering dito with my friends. So, most of the time, ito ay nasa aking table doon sa labas. Doon ko siya nilalagay kasi nga, ito yung everyday kong ginagamit. Ayan. So, ilalagay ko yun doon sa aking table where I always sit most of the time. I drink tea. So, ayan. And of course, there are 3. Di ba ang baliw, napakaano ko, di ba? Mayroon pang isa. Yan naman is for my ingredients sa aking pagko-cooking. So, ito naman yung like curry powder, yan. Pero yung iba, empty pa siya guys kasi wala pa akong nabibiling mga pwede kong ilagay dyan. So, tig-share ko lang dito sa aking pagbablog ang aking crazy things that I always did for myself. I don't know if I could bring this one back to my country. But anyway, I could sell out also this one when it's time I'm going decided. But anyway, we don't know yet how long we stay. So, yun lang guys ang aking ma-share. Ito naman is curry powder. So, ayan. Nilalagay ko siya dyan kasi pa nagluluto nga ako. Yan na lang ang ginagamit ko. Actually, meron din siya guys mga designated na wooden spoon. Just like this one. Ayan. 'Di ba? Lahat yan mayroon. So, 'di ba napaka-cute niyang tingnan. I really love it. Kahit naman saan guys, although sa Philippines, ang ano din ako doon. Marami din ako mga koleksyon ng mga ano, ng mga special jar na nilalagyan ko ng aking mga ginagamit sa kusina like salt, sugar, and coffee, and so on. So, yun. I think that's the only thing I could share here on my vlog for today. This is cute stuff that I like to share on my vlog. Yan. 'Di ba? Ang cute nila. Tingnan. Sabi nga ng friend ko, when they come on my apartment, said, "Oh, this is so cute." Sabi ko, "Yeah, I like it." So, it's very clean, very organized. I think that's the only thing I could share. Pag meron akong time, nag-tidy up ako ng aking bahay, nag-clear up ng aking mga unnecessary stuff. Talagang inaalis ko yan. I don't really want to keep it unnecessary stuff in my surround. So, yun. And of course, this one is my new collection. So, ayan, ang aking may share sa aking pagbablog for today with Sus Vlog Channel. So, again, once again, and again, thank you everyone. The only thing I could share is we use our time wisely and thus more interesting in life. So, yan, diba? Mahilig. I've been really organized, guys, even in my life. Kasi ayaw kong very stuffy sa paligid. Alam yan ng anak ko, alam yan ng mga kaibigan ko. So, yun. That's the only thing I could share. Pag may time ako, I clear up, I clean. Tinatidy up ko, nag-organize ako ng aking mga gamit. And, of course, the first thing I really love to do it in my kitchen, in my cooking way. Kasi, I'm very healthy conscious sa maraming bagay. So, I think, as you can see, in my kitchen, I don't really much stuff. But, most of that is what is good for my body. It's not only for me, to everyone, I think. So, that's all for today's vlog with Sos Vlog. Thank you everyone. I love you all. And thank you very much for keep watching and supporting my channel. Thank you everyone. God bless and bye-bye.